Sa araw na ito, dadalo tayo sa isang oath-taking ceremony dahil nakapasa tayo sa ASA PME. Alright guys, see you there guys! Parang ako yung nauna guys, parang persona na ata ako yung persona. Wala pang tao guys, oh. Tignan natin ating stage. Di ba? Masyado pala akong excited. Dapat pala, sabi kasi nila 1 hour before. Pero maghintay na lang natin guys. Okay, see you guys. I, Roque B. Alfonso Jr.
All your address.
San Agustin, Betzgog, Pampanga.
Hereby solemnly swear.
Hereby solemnly swear
That I will support and defend.
that I will support and defend
The Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Guys, tapos na yung outtaking namin. Thank you Lord sa another blessings. Sabi nga, Proverbs 3:5-6, trust in the Lord with all of your heart and lean not all your understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He shall direct your path. Maraming salamat. Thank you Lord at sa aking family, kay Ate T, sa aking tatlong anak, si Nerdy, si Katie and Boom Boom, at sa aking mga mentor, si Engineer Raymond Polintan, shout out, Engineer Victor, at sa mga Alramania PME boys, number 1. At sa LGM Qatar, maraming salamat sa prayers and suporta. At sa aking family sa Philippines din, sa aking mga parents, sa aking mga kapatid. Alright guys, rock and roll na guys. Alright, thank you.